Ladies and gentlemen, I have hit 1,000 subscribers in a month as a gaming content creator with organic reactions, real commentary, and nothing fake. And today I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step, so you can do it too. Now, if you're new here, hey, I'm Jentel. I play scary games, story games, and pretty much anything that makes me yell like a grown toddler. And somehow, y'all actually subscribed. And if you haven't, you actually should. Now, let's break down exactly how this channel hit 1K so fast. So this is section 1, picking your lane. First things first is I didn't try to do everything. Whenever you get into this kind of content, you have to make sure you have it perfectly clear what it is you want to do. So if you're a gaming channel, make it gaming. If you are a reaction channel, make it reactions. If you're a funny gaming reaction channel like myself, make it that. But don't try to do mukbang and then go race cars the next day and go stay in scary haunted houses. Like, the algorithm becomes confused. See, technically I made my channel years ago, I believe. I'm not sure exactly what the date is on my channel, but I did this because this is just something I use to, you know, watch videos on YouTube and whatnot. And I had originally did a sponsorship for a haptic VR feedback vest, just so they can give me $100 off up front for buying it. Other than that, I didn't do anything else on my channel. And this is a very important step. You don't want to try to go into this with a fresh channel, because when you start putting out the level of content you're going to be putting out by the end of this video, you don't want YouTube to see you as a bot and flag the system and not put you out to anyone. So make sure you have an old age channel, even if it's just by a couple months. Make your channel ahead of time, and make sure with your age channel, go and check out actual content creators that are doing it and their success, and look at the things that they're doing. Study their videos. Don't just watch it for entertainment purposes. Actually educate yourself on how they do things. That's just the way of the world. If you want to learn mathematics, you have to take mathematics and learn it. It's not copying and cheating. You're literally learning how it works. So if you want to make your content based off someone like, I don't know, a GOAT like Markiplier, then go watch Markiplier videos, study the way that he does things. And if you feel that you don't have the capabilities to do the things that he do, try to do something somewhat similar. Your editing skills isn't as good as Lixian's? Okay, well, hire an editor. Editing isn't easy. I'm gonna let you guys know that now. That's my expertise, so it came easy for me. But a lot of people, editing is a very hard thing. And even if they manage to do it, it still takes them a lot of time. Me personally, it probably takes me 3 hours to edit a 3-hour video, maybe less. But another person, it could probably take them 6 to 7, 9, maybe days to edit a single video. So, you know, get you an editor. Regardless, find what it is you want to do. Don't fake your character. So whoever you are, be 10 times that. If you're funny, then be 10 times more funny. If you're engaging, be 10 times more engaging. If you're loving and appreciative, be 10 times more loving and appreciative. Like, you see the way I'm sitting here talking to you right now? I don't have a script. I'm looking directly at the camera and I'm not reading from anything. I am talking directly to you, my audience. And this is how I am in real life. This is how I talk to my friends, family, co-workers. What am I saying? Co-workers. This is my job. Now, I know some of you guys aren't comfortable with showing your faces. That's absolutely fine. Just don't be a faceless content creator, as in taking other people's stuff and using it to make clips and edits. That's not going to get you anywhere. Maybe you can blow up off of making money from stuff like that, but that's not going to bring you what you're actually after, which is being a content creator on YouTube. And I'm speaking specifically for YouTube because I don't have expertise in other things like Instagram, TikTok, etc. This is just the way YouTube algorithm works. You have to put your all into what it is that you are doing. It's no crazy gimmicks and no secret strategies. I mean, honestly, some of the things I might explain to you in this video might seem like secret strategies, but in reality, they're pretty obvious things. Which moves us into section 2 of this video. What made my videos take off? Honestly, I haven't even found my seed audience yet. So with YouTube, this is the way it goes. YouTube is going to take your content and it's going to put it out to seed audiences. Those seed audience can be anyone, anywhere, at any time, and probably have absolutely nothing to do with your niche. They're going to keep doing this, so you have to keep making things. And the best way to do that is with shorts. Usually other gurus will tell you that shorts ruin YouTube. In reality, they didn't. Shorts actually will help you get out there because you are at least guaranteed somewhere between 400 to 1,000 views your first few shorts. Use this time to build your seed and get people to subscribe your channel. It's that simple. So you don't have to have crazy thumbnails. You can just slap a picture up there. As long as the picture makes people want to click the video, there you go. Now, your titles are important. You want your titles to scream, hey, you should click this. So if you played a game about a scary house, you can say, I visited a haunted house and I regret it, ... People are going to want to click that and see why you regretted it. If you're like me and you're actually a content creator, you're organic, then promote your whatever the word is, organism, I don't know. And back to tackle something I said earlier when I mentioned about faceless, you can do ventriloquism, you can have a puppet in your hand, doesn't really matter as long as it's your content and it's organic. So you don't absolutely have to show your face. Overall, just get a simple thumbnail, something that makes people want to click. Get a simple title, something that makes people want to click. Give a good description, something that makes people want to click, and don't be afraid to open up to the camera, because no one wants to sit there and watch somebody that's trying to pretend not to laugh and that acts like they're not happy or don't want to scream or yell or shout. Express yourself. Now, section 3 of the video, what you should be doing today. Now, here's the part that you really clicked for. If you already have the aged account, what you want to start with is making videos every single day, if not on the weekends. I did it this way. I did a video Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, because I wanted to get things on my channel. I did that for 2 weeks. After the 2 weeks, I started doing a video Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so I don't take attention away from the video that was posted previously. This will funnel people towards your longer content. As I already told you, show your personality. People are not subscribing for gameplay, they are subscribing for you. Improve one thing every single video. It can be lighting, expressions, jokes, editing, anything, just one thing. Tiny improvements, they stick very fast, so don't chase something you don't enjoy, because when you start doing that, you're gonna burn out. If you hate Minecraft, don't play Minecraft. If you don't like scary games, don't play them. Because you might understand yourself, but other people can understand you as well when you stand or sit in front of that camera, and they can tell right on your face that you're not enjoying this. But look at me, don't I look happy? I love this. Now this is the next section, collaborations. Don't do collaborations if you just start in YouTube, because when you do things like that, that is what your audience is going to be built around. So if you're doing a stream with Ernie and Bert, then everybody's going to expect to see Ernie and Bert. So when they come on the stream or the recording, YouTube, whatever you did, and they click and they just see you, they're going to be disappointed. Build your content around yourself first, if that's what your aim is for. Unless you're doing collaborations and group content with your friends, and that's what you're going to be doing wholeheartedly. But as we've seen in plenty of rock bands, not everybody always stick together. Also, if you're going to collaborate, make sure you're collaborating with people that enjoy the same things that you enjoy as well. As I was saying earlier, you don't want to be playing games with someone that doesn't enjoy the same games that you're playing, because it takes away from the authenticity, reactions, organicness, and just wholeheartedly the fact that everyone's going to be able to tell. YouTube's not going to push your best content. It's going to push the content where you are the most you. So overall, you guys that are still watching this video, this isn't no gurus. This isn't no crazy hacks for the chat and the clips and the shorts. The stuff doesn't work. So we'll call this a next section, hashtags. You do not need any crazy hashtags or CEO tags to make your videos pop. You just need to be clear and concise. Well, precise, I think that's the correct word. To let YouTube know what your audience is. So if you're funny, hashtag funny. You do scary stuff, hashtag scary. If you do cute, hashtag cute. But you know what you don't need? You don't need to add funny reactions if you're gonna put hashtag funny. It's just overkill. You don't have to put horror stories and horror games if you're just doing horror in general. You're gonna start locking yourself down to certain filters. You ever notice that if you was in a search engine and you put too many filters, now you don't get any results? Well, that's why. You'll see a bunch of YouTube videos telling you, hey, use this tag because everybody's using it lately. That does work, but what happens is that's because that tag is generally for everything. So it doesn't really put you in a niche. So if you're trying to blow up, then you don't want to use those tags. But if you just want to get that video itself to blow up, then yeah, that's fine. You know, just completely forget your resume. You're going to have ups and down days. You're going to have some days you get 100 views. Some days you get like 5, 6. Just give it time and just keep being consistent. Next section, do not lock your content behind a sub content. What that means is if you play MMOs, don't lock yourself behind one MMO. When you do things like that, you're putting all your trust in a game that could literally probably die, or it's not going to always give you consistent content. That's why you have content creators like PewDiePie who play Happy Wheels. He ventured away from Happy Wheels. Markiplier who played Five Nights at Freddy's. He ventured away from Five Nights at Freddy's. I know this very well because back in like what, 2013, I know I'm old. I used to play a game called Black Desert. I had like 10,000 subscribers, and as soon as I got off that game, all them subscribers didn't want to watch my content because they was only there for Black Desert. So stay away from locking yourself behind sub content. And I know probably some of you are thinking that contradicts everything I've said up until this point. It doesn't. My content is organic reactions on games, but I'm not locking that behind a specific game. Your content could be baking cakes, but you're not going to just bake a specific kind of cake. Just do not lock yourself behind these sub contents, because now you're stuck in a situation where your channel could possibly die and your subscribers probably will unsubscribe, if not just click your videos at all. If your subs are not watching your content, they're not going to put your stuff out to other people, because it tells the system, okay, his subs aren't watching his stuff, so why would I send his stuff to people that aren't subscribed to him as well? So don't go buy subscribers, don't go on Fiverr, don't even use the YouTube system and try to buy some freaking subs, because then people are going to be inactive and they're going to wholeheartedly hurt your channel. And I know people are probably going to get mad when I say that, Especially people that have Fiverr up and they want people to buy their services. Don't do it. Don't even do sub for sub. Bro, don't even send this to your grandmother, because if she's not watching your content, that is telling YouTube you have subscribers that do not even like you. Wait, what part are we on? I'm getting old. Oh, that's right. Okay, so let's bullet point where we're at right now before I give y'all the Krabby Patty secret formula. Step 1, make sure you pick your lane. Don't go too far out of it and don't go too far in it. Step 2, what makes you stand out and how you can be more of that while also being organic and being true. Step 3, what you should be doing today and what you should probably have already done, such as making your channel ahead of time, posting weekly and uploading shorts daily, and improve one thing, of course, every day. And for the next step, I don't remember where I am right now. Like I said, I'm not writing any of this down, guys. I'm sorry. I got that all in my doomblagabagada. But anyways, to sum up this whole entire thing, the one most important thing you should be doing to grow your channel as fast as I did it, because again, just imagine where I'll be at in another month, 2 months, 3 months, 10 months, is this. Just tell people to subscribe. It's that simple. You don't have to beg. You don't have to say, please, please. You don't want to seem like you're desperate. Just tell people to subscribe. I know that probably sounds so cliche because you like, everybody like, subscribe, like, comment, but you don't have to say it that way. Put a spin on it, because it's like a freaking beeping smoke detector. If a person constantly hears it all the time, their brain just ignores it. So this is ways that you can say it. Don't be like, hey guys, like, subscribe, comment. No, do it this way. Hey, you guys should actually subscribe to my channel. I know you hear it all the time, but no, seriously, subscribe. Like this video. Comment if you actually did subscribe. Putting emphasis on your words and saying things with emotion means a whole lot more and will grab people's attention than you sounding like a freaking bill collector calling because they need $30 from you because of PayPal. Now this is the part we start to finish up things, and this is why I want to say thank you. Every single person you see right here on the screen is the reason that I am here right now doing this video, and the reason why I'm still making videos in general. I really appreciate you all from the bottom of my heart, and I cannot wait to make more and more and more content for you guys to watch, laugh, enjoy, and take that edge off. If you subscribe this month, like my videos, and commented, you are part of the reason I hit this milestone. I'm not trying to be like anyone else. I'm being me. And I thank you all for enjoying me as I am. The fact that y'all quite frankly rock with that, it means a lot. If you are trying to grow your gaming channel and you feel like I left anything out in this video, please comment. If you want to tackle some facts versus myths, go ahead and ask away. I will help where I can. But we're ending this, guys. Stay safe and be blessed. But seriously, don't play freaking horror games at 3 a.m.